The G Brooklyn Queens Crosstown Local is an 11.4-mile long rapid transit service in the B division of the New York City subway. Its route emblem, or bullet, is colored light green since it uses the IND Crosstown line. The G operates at all times between Court Square in Long Island City, Queens, and Church Avenue in Kensington, Brooklyn, making local stops along its entire route. The G is the only non-shuttle service in the system that does not serve Manhattan. Since the 2000s, several improvements have been made to the G, including a route extension in Brooklyn and a full route audit that identified solutions for issues on the G service. The G serves two stations in Queens, Court Square and 21st Street, which are both in Long Island City. Prior to 2010, it served all stations on the IND Queens Boulevard line between Court Square and 71st Avenue in Forest Hills. In 1939 and 1940, the then designated GG also used the now demolished IND World's Fair line to access the 1939 New York World's Fair. The GG, which became the G in 1985, had its southern terminal at Smith 9th Streets from 1976 to 2009. The G suffers from a wide range of issues that has resulted in complaints by people living along the route. Historically, it has only connected Brooklyn and Queens, resulting in many people thinking of the G as the subway system's outcast and the unwanted drunk uncle everyone has. One reporter wrote of the G riders, "Need it because it goes where no other train does, but they hate that they need it." Compounding to the G's outcast reputation, some of the G stations along the Crosstown line are in bad shape. Since 2001, however, a series of service cuts and missing connections to other lines has worsened public opinion of the G. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.